Good day, everyone. In this presentation, we will be discussing what will be the components of your grades and how to be able to compute it. Also, we will be discussing the chapter discussion that we will be implementing in this course. For your grade composition, it will be composed with class participation and term examination. The class participation will be equivalent to 2/3 of your grades for the term. On the other hand, the term exam, which is composed of prelims, midterms, or finals, will be the 1/3 of your grade with a total of 100%. So what is the component of your class participation, which is 2/3 of your term grade? The components will be the following: classwork participation, the assignments, and chapter quizzes. The classwork participation is equivalent to 25% of your class participation. This will be the exercises and the activities that you are going to do in the subject. The second is the assignment, which is 15%. Since almost all of the activities you are going to take is bring home, the assignment is almost given in your grade, which is 14% out of 15%. Lastly, chapter quizzes, which is the 60% of your grade in your class participation. There are times that we will be having 2 quizzes in a chapter. All quizzes will be scheduled and announced in advance, so there will be no surprise quizzes for you to be able to adjust and find good connection, since the quizzes will be time bounded. Now, I will be answering how will your grades be computed for the entire semester. But first of all, let me remind you that the semester is divided into 3: the prelims, the midterms, and the finals. In prelims, all your accomplishments, your submissions, and your scores will be generated as a sole basis for your grade in prelims. For midterms, all your scores, accomplishments, and submissions will be generated again, and it will be multiplied by 2/3, and the remaining 1/3 will be coming from prelim. We are going to add that one, so that will be the basis for your grade in midterms. For finals, it has the same concept with midterms. Your all grades or scores in finals will be multiplied into 2/3, and we will be getting 1/3 of it from midterms, and we will be going to add that one, so that will be your basis for your final grade. Now, if you are going to perform better in prelims, better in midterms, and better in finals, there are good chances that you are going to have a good grade for this subject. Now, if you have failed in prelims and performed better in both midterms and finals, then there is a good chances that you are going to pass the subject. However, if you are going to fail in prelims, fail in midterms, and not perform better in finals, then there are good chances that you are going to retake the subject. Now, for class discussion, rest assured that all the materials will be provided in advance for everyone. This activity is done to be able to aid the students who cannot join the video conferencing or cannot join the Google Meet due to poor connection of internet and or lack of tools needed to join the online meeting. With this, please maximize the opportunity to raise your concerns and questions about the chapter topic, since the platform is open for everyone. I will do my best to answer your questions using the materials that everyone can also access for better understanding of the topic. This is an example of a material wherein everyone can access using the Google Classroom. Now, if you have accessed the materials and you have questions or clarifications that you would like to ask me, the avenue for you to raise your concern is through the forum. Okay, open the forum and you can type there your concerns, your questions, and basically if you have anything you would like to tell me for your better understanding about the topic. Now, since you have already opened the forum, what then to type? First, please type the slide number. After typing the slide number, then what is your question, concern, violent reaction, additional inputs about the topic that is being discussed for the week. Now, for example, slide number 2. Sir, can you explain better what is acquisition? Now let's go back to the material. I need to know the slide number of your concern for me to be able to go back to that slide and answer your question based on how does the topic is described on that slide.